Hey there, if you've got a Kamado Joe lid that is not staying up, we'll show you a real quick fix for that. Get it right back to normal. You just need to find the screw right here that's connecting the lid um, to the base, and then either with pliers or a wrench, just get that tightened and do it a little bit at a time. And you can check it every now and then. But you got to do this every now and then. It's not a big deal. I love the hinge system on this, that it can stay open. It's really nice. All right, and now you can see the lid is going to stay open in whatever position we put it in. Quick fix, nice and easy. Thanks for watching.